Hey, so today we are working on spelling words that have that ooh sound. Okay, so you are going to get the paper that has a left column and a right column, and then there are arrows in the middle. So today you're going to be making your own words that have that long ooh sound, and you're going to use the sheet to record these. So your first one is you're going to write a word. So I've done an example for you, like proof. Then you're going to go to the right side and you're going to try and make another word that has that same ending sound. So the OOF at the end, you're going to make another word that has OOF. So the other example would be roof. Okay. So you're building words that have that same spelling pattern. When you finish, you need to go back and underline that ooh sound, okay? So here I did the OOF for you and the UDE for you to show you that's what you're going to be underlining, okay? So make sure that you have that pattern and make sure it's also a real word, okay? So here with school, then the real word that goes with that could be tool. But if it's not a real word, we want to choose something different. All right. Well, I hope you guys have so much fun doing this and come up with some really good words. Have fun.